Hey folks, it's Jared Manninen from the website TahoeTrailGuide.com. In the eye of the storm again. So much snow. And yesterday was all rain. Kind of unfortunate, but it's a lot less shoveling than I needed to do since it wasn't snow. This past weekend we had some minor snowstorms here in Tahoe. A couple of hours of bluebird skies, which was definitely a nice break, but we're back to the storms today. It's incredible and pretty tiring. You don't really travel too far in deep snow like this. But just being out here to see all this wonderful nature in the middle of the storm is always worth it. So long as you know where you're going and how to get home. I won't do a lot of talking this time around. Well, not that I did much last time, but I'm gonna just go out and do some exploring. However, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone. I just reached or exceeded the 5,000 subscriber mark last week, like first or second of the new year, which was super wonderful. I totally appreciate all of your support. Appreciate all these wonderful conversations that we're able to have online. I do my best to answer as quickly as possible, but obviously life can be busy, so sometimes there's a little bit of a delay. For that, I apologize. But yeah, it's just been really great having you all along. I'm gonna wipe this lens off. There we go. And yeah, it's been great. Whether or not the boom of cross-country skiing is going to continue like it did during COVID, the first year, 2020, I couldn't say, but I'm super grateful that you guys are all coming along. I love talking about it. I love showing you places that I go. I love to show you techniques. I love answering all your questions about techniques, waxing, all that stuff. So super amazing experience right now, and I really appreciate it. Maybe we'll get another 5,000 before the winter is out. We'll see. I don't really care in that I'm not trying to be the YouTube king or anything like that, but it's nice to see a community grow, especially around healthy outdoor activities. It's really encouraging that there's hope for people to preserve open lands, wildlands, wilderness, national forests, national parks. Nothing quite as inspiring as being out in nature, as far as I'm concerned anyway. One thing I've noticed is that this snow is, although deep, that rain from yesterday, I can tell kind of set the snow underneath it. And I can actually do a little bit of technique right now. It's probably 6 to 8 inches of fresh stuff on top of the firm snow that got packed down, so that's very exciting. And actually move around a little bit faster now. Anyway, I'll just close out for now and treat you to some more landscape imagery and me skiing through that landscape. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out TahoeTrailGuide.com for more information about cross-country skiing and snowshoeing. And then if you have any questions or feedback, post it in the comment section below. If you feel compelled to contribute in a financial way to the health and longevity of Tahoe Trail Guide and this YouTube channel, I offer a Patreon, PayPal, and Venmo option for contributing. Just want to say thanks so much to everyone again for subscribing, breaking that 5,000 person mark. That's amazing. And then everyone who's contributed through Patreon, PayPal, and Venmo, as well as all those great comments that you guys leave me. I really appreciate it. It makes the winters that much more enjoyable. So thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go do some exploring. What am I gonna find? Probably more snow, but that's a good thing.